Pie toys. Hello my little pies, and today I'm with Cutie Pie. And today, Cutie Pie, not me, Cutie Pie is going to open these LIL Surprise Pets Wave 2 Series 4. You want to open it, Cutie Pie?
Yes.
Are you excited? Okay, let's start opening.
Okay.
There you go. You don't want a squirrel?
Wow.
No, that would be cool if there was a squirrel. So here it says sun plus little sparkles. So sunshine. There you go. Oh, Cutie Pie, you got a gold ball. You're so lucky, Cutie Pie. Hey, Cutie Pie, what's that? It's a gold ball. You got a gold ball on your first try. Oh, Cutie Pie, oh, there you go. You got it. Now crack it open. Crack it open. There you go.
A sun.
Yeah, it's a fan.
Kitty. Meow.
Cutie Pie, what do you want to get?
Nothing to fire. I got a bottle. Thanks. What is that? A cat?
You got Independent Meow.
Meow, meow.
Oh, you like it, Cutie Pie? It's full of glitter.
You find the shoes.
You need to find the shoes, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I love that color. It's so cute.
I found it. I found the shoes.
You find the shoes?
Yeah.
Keep on digging.
Come on. Shoes. Come on. Okay. Take a place.
Okay, so here we got 4 shoes from Independent Meow. And they actually put like little flaps inside the shoes so, you know, sand wouldn't get inside. Isn't that cool, Cutie Pie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you want to put her outfit on? Oh, she's so cute. She's a cutie. I love her eyes. Look at her eyes. They're so pretty. You want to put on the outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, does it go like over here? Or the other side? Cutie Pie. Let me see. Ew. Ew.
Aw.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is she cute? Is she so cute? Ew. Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. They're pretty. They have glitter. Do you think they're so beautiful?
Oh no, I have a shoe.
No, but she has all her shoes. Make sure not to leave her too long, because I don't want all the glitter to go away. Well, it looks like she's not a color changer. She's just glitter. I think Cutie Pie likes it a little too much. Don't you, Cutie Pie?
Yeah.
Ew, no. There's a bunch of sand here. So, it's supposed to be a spitter. Now look at all the new pets. I think this one looks so cute because it's half and half. I think that's like, oh, there's Unipony. That is a puppy. It's Unipony. Aww. Squeak Neck. Oh, it's supposed to be Beatnik Babe. Foxy Flyer. It's Foxy. Sleeping Barky. It's Sleeping Baby. Punk Hog, which is a hedgehog that belongs to Punk Boi, yeah. And this is Grudge Skunk, which is supposed to be Grunge Girls, but she looks like she has SPF Cuties outfit on. And here is Short Stop Hop. That's so cute. Okay, so here's the whole checklist. Cutie Pie, you like it? You want to say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye, my little pies.
Keep it.
Yeah.
Here you go, baby.